number. So how we are taking an input is using a input function. Using an input function, we are taking a number. You see, we are asking a number in text, but at the end of the day, when you take input from keyboard, it will be okay. How it will be, okay.
Rather than number, we can also write name also, sir. Enter your name.
You can write, you can change, enter any name. But we have our function is, our aim is here, program is to calculate addition of two numbers. That's why I have not changed. Okay.
Okay.
So now some people what they are doing, no, they are doing plus here. Okay, you should not do. Okay, in a function definition you can't do plus. Okay. See, my students are asking doubt like, can I do plus here? No, you can't do plus there. Okay.
Okay.
So that is a function. That is function definition. In function definition, you can't do any operations. Inside the function, you can do operations.
Okay. Like x is equal to a plus b or a minus b, right?
That's what. So now in a function definition, you can't do.
Okay.
Okay.
So what else we can do in the definition, in function definition, like a comma b? Name also we can write there.
Name also you can write. Yes. What names? You tell me what you are asking.
So can we write like someone if entering and we want to write greetings, good morning and name?
So now you want to define a function. See, my point is you can write anything. Yeah, it is not like you can't write anything. You can write anything. So now what I'm saying, enter your name. We'll say str, not str, st. Okay. We'll say string. Yes. Enter your name. Enter your name. So that is also possible. Okay. So enter your name. So now what we'll say, print hello. Okay. Say yes. Welcome to input function. Right. Okay. So I'll run. Okay, it's taking previously only we didn't complete. Now we can run. Enter your name. I'll say Fatima. So hello Fatima, welcome to input functions in Python. Okay.
Yeah, actually I was trying to make something like this, but I wasn't, I'm not getting it. Okay.
Now you got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hello Fatima, welcome to input function. What we will do, we will save the SQL file also. Save this file also, so that you will not this one. I can save like this. So where I can save, okay, I will save it here itself. Saying and under SQL. Okay, file saved successfully. Okay, so now what we are doing is okay. Right. Now we are going to see some more function on input. Okay, input. So we have completed. Have we completed this one? What do you say? List
you use the default function also, sir.
List comprehensions. Have we completed list comprehensions?
I don't think comprehensions. We went through list and functions of list. Comprehensions, I don't think so.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We have one more function called ASCII. Okay, what is that? In Python, we have what function? ASCII function. What do you mean by ASCII?
ASCII. No idea, sir. ASCII.
No idea. No idea.
Mhm.
Yeah. For every what do you say? Keyboard. Okay. We have a keyboard. You have a keyboard, right? So now my
Sir, I'm
point.
not able to hear your voice. Can you be a little louder?
You have a keyboard, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I want to find out. Okay. What is it? ASCII value of a text. Okay. ASCII value of a, what do you say?
Text.
Not text. What I'll say? ASCII. ASCII is a function. Okay. ASCII value of a. ASCII value of a.
A.
Okay. This a. A. Let us consider. Okay. Executing. Okay. A. Okay. Yeah. A name error. A is not defined. It is telling. Okay. So now what is my point here? Returns a string containing a printable statement of representation object. Okay. It takes the object as an input, either a text. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Text or string. Both are same only. Either a text or string it will take. Okay.
No, I don't understand, sir. Can you come again?
Either a text or a string it will take. This is not so much important, but I'm telling you this will be there actually. Okay, it is not important. It is there. I'm telling you for a namesake. Okay, I'll tell you this later on. Then we don't need to concentrate on this much. Okay.
Yes.
So okay. So we completed functions completely. We completed. So we took all the 4 examples. Is it?
Yes.
We took all the 4 examples. Like functions with parameter, function with no parameter, function with the what do you say, no parameter and no return type. All is completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Great.